Next, let's set up n8n on our server. To do this, click the Manage App button in the top right. On the next page, you'll be prompted to set up an n8n account. Go ahead and complete the form with your email, name, and a new password. Then click Next. n8n will give you a short onboarding questionnaire. Go ahead and answer the questions, and then click Get Started. n8n will present you with a pop-up saying you can get paid features for free forever. If you want to take advantage of this, go ahead and enter your email and then click Send me a free license key. Next, you'll get a confirmation pop-up that says your license key is on the way. This could take a while to show up in your inbox. The first time I did this, it took over an hour. However, in most cases, it shows up within a few minutes. In your inbox, you should see something that looks like this: your free n8n license key to unlock paid features. Go ahead and click that to open it, and then click the Activate License Key button. And here now you can see that we're on the Community Edition and our account has been registered. So now n8n is all set up and running on our server. And if you wanted to test this, back on the overview page of n8n, you could click Start from Scratch to build a small automation, or click Test a Simple AI Agent Example to play with their demo workflow.